So one of those conflicting road projects, if you've ever been to Taos, you know the highway through town has needed some serious work for years. But you know doing the work will cause a traffic nightmare. Get ready, Taos. It's coming. Here's News 13's Brady Wakayama.
If you've been to Taos, you've driven on the rough surfaces of Highway 68, and you've experienced the traffic through the heart of the tourist town. But that rough ride will finally be a thing of the past. The state DOT is planning on doing a $22 million overhaul of a 2-mile stretch of the highway through town, adding lanes in some parts and repaving the whole thing.
With the traffic and the increase in people down in Taos, we're actually just widening the roadway and reconstructing it so that it can accommodate more drivers and help people get through there more smoothly.
The DOT will also add sidewalks and improve the traffic signals and lighting on that stretch. This is phase 2 of the project. Last year, crews fixed up Highway 68 in the southern part of Taos, and the highway needs the facelift. The DOT says it's been about 15 years since major work has been done on the highway, which local business owners say is long overdue.
The road improvement, yes, I do think we need that. I think we're all tired of the potholes that we've been dealing with for the past several years.
She says although the repairs are necessary, she's worried about her business during construction.
It is going to affect all the businesses on this road. They're taking up some of the property, so it's going to affect parking, customers' ability to get into the businesses here. So I think we're all pretty nervous.
The DOT plans on starting the project next month and will go until mid-November. After that, they will suspend work due to the winter conditions and will pick up work back on March of next year. Brady Wakayama, KRQE, News 13.
The DOT is hosting a public information meeting on their plans at the Taos Town Council chambers this evening at 6.